race here. Oh, that was a wheelie. There it is. Alright guys, welcome back to the Rev Too Late Racing channel. We are at the track again this week. We got an upgraded master cylinder, so hopefully my brakes hold on the line. We can get it a little bit more boost. And what are we about to do?
Put the spicy spring in.
We're putting spicy springs in it. So we're gonna put some bigger springs in it. I think we're just gonna put the 4-pound springs in the wastegates on top of the 12 pounds, the 2 6-pound springs I have in each wastegate right now. So that should be roughly about 100 more horse. And those two things should equal a 5-second pass tonight. All right, so in order to get these wastegates apart, you gotta hold this top down, otherwise it's gonna strip those bolts out. So we had to use the bleachers at the track. We just use a C-clamp to hold it down or take the bolts out. Woo! All right, guys, we're heading up for our first pass. Looking up the laptop so we can get a good log. Seems like it's a pretty good night. The guy said the track was super sticky, so we're gonna make this 5 happen.
Big race here. 99 through 04 stock 2-valve Mustang with maybe exhaust versus the Camaro. God damn.
Boys, that kind of sucked. We got our charge pipe hooked back up. It's in a better angle this time. I tightened the hose clamps down a little bit tighter this time. It made 15 pounds of boost right when it blew the charge pipe off. So that was pretty crazy. Moved the 2-step down 100 RPMs because it was trying to push through the brakes still. So we're at 2,900. But let's go see what it does.
This Hellcat's got a tire, maybe a pulley and a tune.
Good. Thank you, sir. Okay. Oh! 624 at 114. Went a little overboard with the 3200 2-step. Back end was separating good, and we just started pushing the front tires, and it just rolled through the beams, and we didn't get a time out of it. So I lowered it to 3100. Hopefully I can go up there, mash the gas, the 2-step will build up. Oh, that was a wheelie. There it is. I ran a 627 at 113 miles an hour. I feel like we were going to get a little bit better with 15 pounds of boost instead of 10 pounds of boost. But
why not just try to turn it up one more time and go? I think track might be coming around.
alright, so one last time, turn it 2-step up, another probably 100 RPM, and then hopefully get a little bit more boost, hopefully get a 6.1.
Alright, we drove around it over here so we don't get the front tires wet. We'll see what happens. Good burnout. This is it. We're gonna go a little faster, I think.
Alright, actually the final pass this time, guys. Alright guys, a 621 at 112 miles an hour. Thanks for watching guys. Come back next week to see what I tear up. I'll see you later guys.